It's like I can't do no wrong.
Let me catch a vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
First, I'm going to be blow drying my hair, and my hair is actually an old wrap, so it's actually like half straightened, half not. It's like sweated out or whatever, so this is why I was doing a ponytail. But after I blow dried the hair, my hair, I'm sectioning it off, and this is just making it easier for me to gel it into a ponytail or whatever. Well, not gel it, I actually use Got2b spray, but y'all get the point. It's just making it easier for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and section it off, ponytail the back, and actually start with the middle. I think I did. Oh, okay, I pulled my edges out first. And then I think I started with the middle. And this is actually a hairstyle that's easier for me to do on an old flat iron, because not old flat iron, but like my hair was flat iron before this, but because my hair is so thick, and to braid it while it's actually in its natural state is actually like way harder. So I sprayed the Got2b and I combed it out a little bit to get the knots out, and then I blow dried it just so it can stay into place. Ponytailed it back up, blow drying it again, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the back, but I'm gonna brush the back upwards so that it can like connect to the middle ponytail. Now with these sections, I'm going to just section them off even more and do the same thing with the spray and the blow dryer. So with the top half of your head, you're going to want to like know where you want to put your part at and how you want your ponytail to go before you do this, because after you spray and blow dry that stuff, it is stuck. But I think I decided to do, I end up doing a, did I end up doing a middle part? I don't know. We're going to see, because I don't even remember what kind of part I did. This braid was so long ago, y'all, and I'm just now putting this video out, so we just going to see. So now I'm just taking a bristle brush to make sure everything is smooth. And one thing I do kind of regret in this video is the way I did my edges. But you know, you live and you learn. They were still cute and still alright. So the ponytail was still cute. And I don't know, I never like, when I do my videos, I'm always like doing them in different days. So hopefully the ponytail still looks neat enough for y'all, because I think at the end of the video was actually like when the ponytail was old. So anyways, I'm going in with this edge booster on the ends, I mean not on the ends, but on the top of my head, so that my hair could be more flat. And this gel is actually like really sticky, so if you find a better gel you can use that, but this is what I use for this style this time. So let me put y'all on game. This edge effect, edge control, y'all gonna have your edges stuck, and I love this edge control. It does get a little flaky if you use too much, but you really don't have to use that much. A little goes a long way. So this edge control, y'all, definitely invest. Honestly guys, I'm really not the best at doing edges at all. Like, I'm still learning myself, so just bear with me. Like, my edges come out cute sometimes, and then sometimes they don't. It's like sometimes I get it, and sometimes my brain just do not get it. It just don't understand the assignment sometimes. Y'all see how I swooped the first one on this side? That's how I should have did all my edges, and I wish I would have did all my edges like that. I don't know what I was thinking and doing, and it's just really hard for me to even think about my edges because I have so many of them, and my edges are long because of my widow's peak or whatever. So it's just like the edges be the struggle for me, y'all. Now we're going to get into these long ass sideburns and lay those down because I just feel like I got some long sideburns. I don't know, my hair is just weird. Like, it just is all over my face for real. I'm just a hairy person, y'all. But what else? Okay, after this I'm gonna spray it with the Got To Be spray. I'm pretty sure of it, just so my hair can stay in one place, you know, give it a little spritz, whatever. And then I'm gonna put the scarf on and let the scarf mold it down some more. Actually, I forgot I use these hair wraps. I don't really know what they call, but these are even better. It's like the salon hair wraps or something. But yeah, these are better because you can do it kind of as tight as you want, just as long as you don't break it. But I just feel like it gets your hair way flatter than the scarf because you're not able to like pull the scarf in the right directions that you want to sometimes. The braided hair I always use is Expressions brand, and this is in the color probably 1B. I think I always get that color unless I just have a different color in my hair. But y'all see how I'm wrapping the ponytail holder around the hair and then like removing my thumb and making it even closer so that when I wrap it around my actual real ponytail, I kind of can just, you know, do it like a ponytail holder. I'm talking about holder. But anyways, yeah, just do it like this, y'all. I'm so bad at these voiceovers. Next, you're going to section you a big piece off that you're going to wrap around the ponytail. And y'all, the first time I did this was actually with like, I think I did 2 packs of hair. I think this is 2 packs of hair, and it still wasn't enough, so I wanted to do 3. So y'all gonna see me do the braid and then do the braid again. And the second time I did the braid is when the hair is thicker. So yeah, I like the second time way better. But you're gonna section your hair off, your real hair and the braided hair, into 3s, and you know, just put the braided hair on top of your real hair and start braiding it like regular. And I'm spraying and combing down like as I go along so I won't have that many flyaways. I'm also going to feed in this free tress hair, the curly hair, and you can actually separate each curl, not each curl, but like separate the curls so that they aren't as thick, I guess, and looks a little more flowy and natural because I kind of just left it in a clump. But you know, do it however you want to do it for real. So this is the second time I'm doing my hair, and I didn't notice that my camera was like, it needed to be wiped off or whatever, but y'all could still see me doing it. So y'all could tell that the hair is way thicker, and I just wanted a thicker braid, and it just came out way cuter to me. So yeah.
something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you I'm gonna lay this hairpiece with the Got To Be spray, and then I'm gonna blow dry it so it stays. And I also put a bobby pin in, but just be careful with the bobby pin so it don't hurt your head. And then afterwards I went in with this gold string, wrapped it around how I wanted to. You can also add hair rings if you want to do that. But you guys, I forgot to do an outro, so I just inserted some clips of me and my friend going to the club. And before we went to the club, my ponytail was still cute, and here you go.
Two, three, make you feel lucky, lucky.